going on, y'all? Long time no talk, long time no see. I'm freaking sick over here through the changes of temperature. I am in Washington State, headed eastbound, and we're just rolling through the mountain pass. It's called Snow something, Snoqualmie, I don't know. But if you run this way on I-90, you know what I'm talking about. Haven't been here in years. Some load came by. It was light and I was like, screw it, let's get it. Let's go to Seattle. So I went to Seattle from Illinois, and now I'm going from Seattle to Iowa. And that was my first time up on I-90 the whole way. So that was interesting. It was nice. Montana's nice. And northern Idaho has a very, very tricky mountain pass as well on the Montana-Idaho border, but northern Idaho is beautiful. I'll try to record that tomorrow or whenever I do get to it. I have plenty of time to take my reset and deliver in Iowa Monday. I definitely would not want to be running here in middle of winter. But for this being, you know, mid-May, it's okay as long as it's light. Yeah, I'm just gonna drive to this Love's to I think the place is called Moss Lake or something, and just call in the night there, rest up, because I did get up pretty early this morning. Got a couple descents. I know that descent, once you get out of the mountain, it doesn't even look like the mountain, it's like freaking desert. But you're like climbing forever. Once you pass that bridge on the river, on I-90 up here, you can go ahead and climb forever. Even this load, the load going over there was 17,000. This load going back is 16,000. Gravy. As long as it's under 25,000, we're all good. It'd be definitely beautiful to come over here with a car or a camper and go actually enjoy the nature and not just drive through like this, you know. But I can only imagine the amount of snow that they get here in middle of February or something. Because I mean, there's still some snow in the mountains. And I know the other pass in I think it's in Montana was it got some snow, but nothing chain worthy. I don't even have chains. But I know down on I-15 off I-90, they got a lot of snow. I think the interstate actually got shut down last night. And it's middle of the May. I guess most of those places, they get like quarter of a year of no snow, and the rest is just excuse me, snowing non-stop. I'm like sick, probably because I went from such a in northern Dakota it was freaking 95, and then I got over here to Montana, and on that pass it got down to like 30 where I slept. So it's been interesting. And then another thing is, if you're familiar with me and my truck and blah blah blah, this thing sputters all the time on startups, and I noticed ever since I got up on some elevation over here, it has not sputtered since. Not a single time. So I wonder if I actually do have a programming for altitude or something in my ECM. I know there's a temperature sensor on my intake manifold, but I don't think that's like an altitude sensor or anything. But yeah guys, let's keep on trucking. Catch you later or whatever. I'm probably just gonna make one video out of this whole trip over the course of how many ever days. Keep on going. And we're out the mountains. Pretty light. I don't really even need Jake's, but I am running mine because I don't got a brake. Left lane closed. Slow down. It's a bad place to stop. That guy smoked out his brakes. Slow down eastbound, bottom of the hill, slow down, pull back up. Then you know there's somebody gonna be flying out of there, and then they go around the curve.
There are lane closures ahead.
And then they're like, oh crap, a full stop, and then they try to stop, they can't stop. And that's how you end up killing somebody. I don't even know why I'm talking about the CB, not like anybody even has the CB. It's a very slow descent over down here. But it's pretty beautiful over the bridge. It's kind of mainly why I wanted to record. I mean, this is only 4%. But it is like 10 miles long. So I mean, it will accelerate on you if you're heavy, especially. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. I'll just catch you over the bridge. My GoPro doesn't die. I wonder what kind of fish they got in this Columbia River. I'd love to go salmon fishing over in Seattle. I saw they definitely have different kinds of salmon actually. That would be sweet. Take a camper, go salmon fishing, and then get some fresh salmon fillets. That'd be sweet. I guess because they're working on the bridge, that's why it's so slow, because it seems like it clears out up there. Once you get off the bridge. Very beautiful scenery. Very calm water, actually. You can see the waves going crazy here. Maybe over there where it was shallow. I wonder where that goes going right. It's some Route 26. Pullman. Turn on our fan even though I'm light. Whenever I'm climbing, I always turn on my fan. I don't even want to give my truck a chance to warm up. It's definitely a climb. But again, I'm only 16,000. It was either going this way or going through Wyoming. I definitely avoid Wyoming to that right lane until we looks like we're here. It's the crappy part, nobody wants to let you in. And then you're gonna lose momentum. There you go, thank you, sir. To get my doors blown off by this W9. Scenic view. Oh, it goes up. A lot of wind turbines. Got freaking double flatbeds. Come on. Going slower. I think the speed limit is 60 actually for trucks. That's pretty crazy to see. I don't know what the deal with the dump trucks is, why they're so long and so far back. Not the flatbeds, but dump trucks. Nice all road. That's a perfect car for over here. Pretty sweet view down there. But if your brakes give out, you're not going to be having a fun time. That's the thing, there's not many runaway ramps over here. Even though there's a lot of grades. I think on the Snow Something Pass, I haven't seen any runaway ramps. But I have seen a runaway ramp over in Idaho, when you get into Idaho from Montana. I think pretty much for most part, I'm pretty much going to be on flat ground now for a minute, up until I get down to Spokane. And then I start heading into Idaho, and then Idaho is all messed up. Yeah, keep on trucking.